Today we'll be showing you how to replace your hold open device, or what we like to call a door check, on your PTL entrance door. You'll need two tools, a cordless screwdriver with a number 2 Phillips bit, and a step ladder. Starting off with your door in the open position, remove all the screws on the jamb side. To remove the last screw, close the door a little bit. There's actually 2 underneath that arm, and you'll be able to gain access to it. Next, we'll be removing the screws from the door side. I've removed most of them so far, but I just wanted to show you that you might have to move the arm a little bit just to gain access to the ones underneath. When installing your new door check, we'll start with installing the arm that has the groove in it on the door side. And you want to make sure that the door check spring is positioned downward. And then you also have to move the arm a little bit to gain access to your screw holes underneath. Now we can start installing screws on the jamb side. And you'll want to reposition the door a little bit to gain access to your screws underneath the arm. Now that you've installed your door check, it's always a good idea to lubricate the spring. This is actually a metal spring, and you can use a silicone or a WD-40 lubricant for it. It's also a good idea to keep lubricating it every few months. It'll help with the longevity of the spring.